We know that we make our own boundary. We know we make a boundary by ourselves. It is a psychological boundary which never let us to feel that we are limitless. It always limits us. How we can break that boundary? And once that boundary will be broken, it will be diluted, then suddenly we will feel like there is a vast cosmos. And this cosmos has so many beautiful things that can give us happiness. Happiness without any reason. We always look for a reason to become happy. Like somebody wishes us on our birthday, then only we become happy. Somebody give us gift, then only we become happy. But nature teaches us how to be happy without any reason. Because nature itself is the proof that it is a living proof that they never become happy because of any reason. Now look at these birds and trees. They are chirping, they are standing tall without having any purpose. They do not have any purpose like us. They are happy without any reason. They are laden with the fruit without any purpose because they are not gonna eat their own fruit. Have you ever heard trees eating their own fruit? Never. They never eat their own fruit. But still they are happy by delivering the fruit for others. Still they are very happy standing tall in this nature. They have to face sun, harsh sun sometimes. They have to face harsh rain. They have to face all the weather conditionings. Still they are standing tall. Still they are happy with their life and they want to touch that limitless sky. But as a human being, no, we never do that. We always limit ourselves for certain job. As a human being, we always limit ourselves for certain position in the society. And once we get that position, we feel like having a worthful life. Before that, we do not feel like having a worthful life. Right now, look at the youth in this society. How meaningless their youthness has become. They want to get a small government job. And if they are finding this a small government job, they become very happy. They put the status all around them. Even they are not happy with the job. Even they are not happy with that job. But still they will show off that they are happy. Because society approves them as happier now because they have got the job. But if I talk about their internal quality, they are not happy at all. I know the conditions. So we have to break the barrier of the society to become happy. We cannot be happy by living in the conditioning of the society. For example, I know I have a YouTube channel which has 1,35,000 subscribers. I shouldn't have made this video in this nature, in this jungle. I should sit in a big studio somewhere and I should shoot this video. But I feel happier when this natural place is my studio. It is my natural studio. I welcome you from this my natural studio. It's not a man-made. And if you have an eye, a real eye, then you can see its beauty as well, how beautiful this natural studio is. Because I don't care about my English, I care about the message that I want to deliver. I don't care about the English, I care about the message that I want to deliver. And if I able to deliver my message, yeah, that's all. Because I never wanted to become a learned in English. What would I do with being learned in English? Even if I'm learned in English, after a couple of years I will have to depart from this earth. English will not help me. But if I am growing within myself, because there is an inclusive boundary within ourselves, there is something which is limitless. And once you get the limitless in the inner dimension of life, even after your death, nobody can take away it. Because it's your own treasure. That's what Gautam Buddha had achieved in his life. He achieved a certain amount of connection with this universe that will never broke. Yes, his physical body has perished. He is no more now. But his essence of teaching, his essence of living a meaningful life will be alive till the existence will be alive. We may forget many things in this world, but whoever will seek for the real happiness in their life, who will seek for the real purpose of the life, they will always come to the Gautam Buddha. They will come to the Osho, they will come to the J. Krishnamurti, they will come to all these philosophers because they have a diamond that they will not find anywhere else. So, we need to understand our own potential, because Buddha says every human being has same potential. Everybody is Buddha. You already is a Buddha. Just you need to wake up. You need to open up your eyes to realize that you are Buddha. You need to understand your inner potential that is hidden within yourself. You need to dig deeper to find that treasure. You need to understand the silence of the trees, this nature, this beautiful surroundings. Unless you can understand all these things, you cannot dig deeper in your life. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. Please comment below. If you have any question, suggestion, query, I would love to answer your comments. And this beautiful morning is very enchanting, I would say. It is mesmerizing morning, and in couple of months I feel like this was the best morning that I have witnessed, because I had not been coming here since long time. But now I want to create a blog from here. If you would love to watch the blog, then I would create from here. Even if you wouldn't love it, then it depends on my mood. Whatever I want to do, I will do. But thank you very much from bottom of my heart for staying consistent throughout this video, and you have watched this video so far so long. Thank you very much everyone. Bye bye.